case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1981, the Louisiana Court of Appeal heard the case of succession of Flood v. Fidelity and Guaranty life insurance, which centered on the controversial issue of whether someone who kills an individual with a life insurance policy can receive the money from that policy. The case involved a life insurance policy taken out on Richard Flood, who was allegedly murdered by his wife, Ellen Flood. Fidelity and Guaranty Life Insurance Company denied payment of the policy due to suspicions of fraud by Ellen Flood in obtaining it. Richard Flood's estate sought to recover the insurance proceeds, while Fidelity argued that the policy is void due to fraud and Louisiana law prohibiting a beneficiary who feloniously kills the insured from receiving the insurance proceeds. In 1971, Fidelity received a life insurance application purportedly signed by Richard Flood himself, with Ellen Flood designated as the beneficiary. After Richard's murder, Fidelity denied payment to Ellen Flood. In 1977, a demand for payment was brought on behalf of Richard Flood's estate or their minor child. The plaintiff presented evidence including the certificate of death, application, insurance policy, and demand letter. The lower court ruled in favor of the plaintiff, arguing that the policy was valid because the insurer was estopped from denying coverage when its agent had signed the application, purportedly witnessing Richard Flood's signature. However, the Court of Appeal dismissed the plaintiff's suit and entered a judgment in favor of the defendant, with all costs to be paid by the plaintiff. The court found that the insurance policy was fraudulently obtained and void, applying the legal prohibition on felonious beneficiaries and rendering Richard Flood's estate ineligible for the insurance proceeds.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.